Hey everybody! Today I wanted to try a new recipe that I've seen on Pinterest a zillion and a half times. Some people call it the best smelling room spray, some people call it DIY Febreze. Basically, it's 2 ingredients. Everyone says it smells awesome. Let's see what it does. Because I want to try to make this recipe as natural as possible, I went with Mrs. Meyer Clean Day fabric softener instead of another type of fabric softener because the ingredients don't sound as scary. It says it's made with plant-derived ingredients, natural essential oils, glycerin, and without parabens, animal ingredients, or formaldehyde, all of which sounds pretty good to me. The recipe is just 1 part baking soda to 3 parts fabric softener, and then 3 parts water just to thin everything out. You put it all into a spray bottle and shake it up so it's nice and combined. I am going to try this on my husband's hats, which are a little musty smelling, some things in my closet, as well as the couch, the chair in the baby's room, maybe the bed, and our rug, so. I did a few errands, and when I walked back inside, I got this waft of fresh fabric softener scent, which was exactly what I wanted. I'm gonna keep a bottle with all of our laundry supplies to use around the house when I need it. And I think I'll feel a lot more comfortable using this once the baby's here, knowing that it doesn't have as many chemicals as something that I might have bought at the store. So, mission accomplished. Hi everyone, I'm Erin from HeyEve.com. If you like this video, click over here and subscribe. I post a new one once a week. To hang out on a daily basis, let's be friends on Instagram. I'm there all the time. Like, seriously, every single minute of my day.